And here we are, the sad remains of my old house. This big stick actually used to be a tree. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make a brand new shelter from scratch. So that means this all needs to go. Okay, there we go. Spot all cleared out. Now we're only looking for nothing big, not like an entire tree, but maybe like a half of a tree. Just something that's small and wouldn't really make that much of an impact on this amazing place. So keep your eyes peeled. I don't know about this one. I don't think this one's good. Just leave that. Maybe this one could work. Maybe. No, it's too thick. Wouldn't work. It just wouldn't work. Sorry about the sun glare, by the way. There's sun glare over here. Sun's going down, so that's why that's happening. This one might do. Looks perfect. Okay, let's see if we can pull this up the ground instead of using any saws or anything. Nope, that's in there pretty good. Alright, let's bring up the big guns. Last time I cut down a tree I had to use a kitchen knife, but now I have myself a saw. Perfect for the job. You could use an axe, but a saw is a lot better. So let's get to work, shall we? Here we go. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, there we go. There's one. Now all we need is 2 other sticks on these 2 sides so it can stand up like this. Then just put a whole bunch of sticks here and just build it from the ground up, really. So this should work just fine. Let's go get some other sticks. Yeah, this might work. Alright, that might be okay. Come on. Okay, there we go. I really hope this works. Let's build this, shall we? Shit! This needs to go here. Okay? These 2 need to be here. No, hang on. Okay. Yeah, that's looking alright. Okay, so let's set that down for a sec. Now I did bring some, where is it? String to help with the, you know what string is used for. I could just barely tie this the first time, so this will take a minute. This is actually perfect. Shit. Okay. Let's hope I can do this. Can someone hand me the... No. There's no one else here but me. Okay. It works. I can tie. Remember what I learned from SpongeBob? You put a loop-de-loop there, ho, and your shoes are looking cool. SpongeBob taught me so much. Taught me how to drive. He's an expert driver. Did you know that? think this is good enough, but I'm not too sure. There we go. It's almost done, but that's not bad, huh? Yeah. Now we're not quite done just yet. As you can see on the sides, they're very exposed. Anyone could easily see me. So we're gonna get a whole bunch of sticks and just pile them up on both of these sides, and then, well, there's not really much in the way of leaves this time of year, so just gonna use sticks to cover it up. Maybe I'll come back with a what's it called? Oh, what's it called? Tar mat, I think. Tar mat? No, it's not tar. What's it called? You know those mat things you put on self-made tents? I forgot what they're called. You know, some of these sticks are actually still pretty good. I reckon I could use some of these actually. This is the life right here. This is the life. Alright, let's get to work. What I'm wondering is, will I need to tie any of these down? Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. It's a perfecto, mamma mia. I'm a little jumpy spicy man. Spicy pizza, mamma mia. Move, Rock, you don't pay rent. No, I need to make sure this stays. Let's get to it. Oh. Okay. Well, it's nothing special, but it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, I could fit it in there. I'm a pretty small guy. Yeah, I mean, kind of. I may just have to work on a few things, but yeah, got myself a little shelter again. This is nice. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time.